All the best.
Go slowly. Is Isaac brother troubling you? He's a fool.
Yeah, tell me.
Brother, Dinesh is standing alone in the bus stop.
Alone?
Yes, brother. What should we do?
Lift him. I'll talk to brother.
Okay, brother. I will do it.
Why is his tea not strong?
For the money you're giving, you'll only get this.
Bro, where is temple in this street?
You turn right and go straight. At the end, you will find it.
Okay, thank you. Sorry bro, my mistake.
Hey, brother's there.
Tell me.
The guy who was next to you, he's the person, bro.
Sir, can you just give me a lift, sir? Yeah, hop on.
Sir, please go faster. I have to take my sister to the hospital, sir. Sir, please make it faster.
Okay. Hey.
Yeah?
Where are you from?
I'm not from here.
What are you doing here?
I came to meet a friend.
Huh?
Came to meet a friend.
What name?
Pugar.
Bro, tell me what should we do?
Cut his hands and legs and come.
I apologized to you, right? Then why did you send them?
Hey, Otto, come here first. Bro, you go. I will take care of him.
Hello? Where are you, Pugar? There's so much of problem here.
I am in Amjikarai. Where are you, Gayatri?
I asked you to be patient, right? Why were you so hasty? How is your hand now? It'll become alright in 4 days. That bloody damn fellow. He's got the guts to hit and fight with my people, huh? That day only we should have cut and chopped him in his house itself.
Bro, we were not hit by that boy.
Who else? I have not seen him before this at all. His name is Prem. He's from a different city. What is his problem with us?
We all went together and tried to kill Dinesh. This boy saved him from us.
A bloody useless outsider fellow. Go to search and find his whereabouts and kill him today itself.
There is an attempt murder case file put on you.
For what? I'll try and talk to the SP and come.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, Dinesh, this is Pugar speaking. Where are you?
Hello, Dushan. I've been chased by some gundas. Here, Gandhinagar.
Where exactly in Gandhinagar?
Opposite the market.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Oh, useless fellows. He has stabbed all my money. How can I search them now? Fit for nothing, useless fellows. Are the idiots are blind? Definitely they will get severely from someone. Please kindly take all the money and put it in this. Thank God. God will bless you. Throw everything.
Ask him if he has snapped him or not. Okay, brother. All bloody useless fellows, you guys. One outsider fellow has come, and you guys are shamelessly getting beaten up by him. Ega, let them start a new venture now. They are only fit to wash roadside toilets. These fellows are not fit for our profession. If you are a man and somebody's hand falls on you, that day will be his end. Hey, Ega, where is that outsider fellow put up now? I'll take care of him.
Find out the IP address details immediately.
May I come in, sir?
Come, Dinesh. You both can wait outside.
Sir.
Tell me, Dinesh.
Sir, you could have caught those fake note guys and put behind bars. You are the one who told me to put an attempted murder case. Now wherever I go, they are chasing me, sir.
With the small information you have given, we cannot do anything with that network. We have to do a big plan. We'll do it.
Hey, where is he? Ooh, Prem. I have actually sent him out then itself. Till evening he was there in the ground with you, and you are saying a lie that you have sent him out. Hey, see, don't listen to me first. Hey, a coach should never speak lies. Hey. Tomorrow Nehru Stadium only, right? I want to see how you are going to step your foot inside. Hey. Been eating fish since I was born, doctor. That's why the power remains so. Stupid fellow. Use the knife. Stupid fellow has escaped somewhere. Hey, after all, where is he going to escape? If only I get him once.
You have to catch all this cotton so that the blood stops.
For me it will stop, doctor. But for him it doesn't clot.
Is this a boy who had created a problem with you, Alan? He's got a very peculiar disease, you know. If he gets a big injury, he will die. Sir, I'm leaving, sir. Bye, Alan.
Bro, inspector's come to meet you.
Why is he coming here?
Some urgent matter.
Okay, ask him to come.
Okay.
Immediately, you and Alan have to leave this place for about 6 months. Immediately. DC is planning something secret. Anything, any moment can happen.
Who the hell are you asking to escape? Who the hell is he? Why are you showing your anger to him? He is just passing us an information.
I'm telling for your good, Alan. The decision is yours.
There is some meaning in what he's talking. Why are you saying? We are eating the same food that he's eating, right? When that fellow hits, I also get hurt. Hey, Ega. Without seeing that bloody stupid fellow's death, I am not going to come anywhere. Hey, Ega, hey! Now there is no point being here. Hey, where are you, man?
I'm at home. Tell me, bro.
Tomorrow 10 o'clock, come to Nehru Stadium. We got to whack that boy.
Don't worry, bro. I will take care.
What happened? What did he say?
I also tried speaking to him. What he says is also right. Everybody has to take care of themselves.
What, Prem?
You come, sir.
What do we do now? Hey, we'll not go to the hotel now. We'll go to his house.
Hey, you do one thing. You take sir to your home. I'll go to the hospital and get the medicines and come.
Hey, come carefully, man. Ask everyone to come there.
Yeah, I'll tell them.
Okay.
Come inside carefully, sir.
Hello, sir. Have you reached safely? If he comes with you, how is he going to be safe? Who? Seeking police protection, huh? After killing you, next is he. Hey, if I can break his leg, how long will it take for me to slaughter him? I am at the Red Hills Junction. Before you arrive, I'll be killing him. You come whenever you want. Sir, Prem is crossing this point right now.
Okay. I'll be there.
Okay, sir. Load it in the container. What, dear coach? Without training the boys in good athletics, you have taught them to fight nicely? No. Actually, he didn't actually come to put up a fight with you. Today's athletic meet is important for us. Huh? Blabbering too much, huh? Only if he is alive will he be able to run tomorrow. A small wound itself will damage him, right? I just got to know it now. He's coming, right? Not just one wound. In front of your eyes, his blood is going to spray around the entire place here. Sir. Actually, there was a fear that something would happen to him. That's why all this happened. Just leave him, sir. I beg you, I beg you, sir. Just leave him. Don't do anything to him. Oh! No, don't come here. Just go. Listen to me, Hams. Listen to me. Prem. Don't, just leave. Come, man. Come. What did he say the other day? Hey! You guys do your job. He'll take care of himself. Hey! If you take one step further, I will kill him. Hey, get up. Kill him. Why did you do all this, man?
Hey, buddy. I'm really afraid. Hey! You are okay, right?
Are you alright? Brett!
The culprit whom I am searching is searching you now. Listen to me.
What is this, sir? You are asking me to do your duty.
Can a gun given to be everyone? It's because of belief on you.
I don't need this gun to save me, sir. He taught me how to run. Now he himself can't walk.
Sir.
Sir, you have received the protection what you had asked. You can join the event now. All the best, Dushyant. Who had told you to kill him?
My boss Prakash, I told him to kill him!
Son of a bitch trying to do all illegal activities? And if the RTO asks you, you will try to kill him? Bloody bugger!
I did it unknowingly, sir.
You had sent me the quotation to kill that bugger, and you don't believe me and send another person to kill him. You know, his daughter's getting married soon. That's the reason I left him. The moment his daughter's marriage is over, the next day his life will be over. If you try to do something before that guy goes from this world, you will be killed. I am always dedicated to my work. Once I collect money for my job, even if you say no, I will do it.
What did he say? You'll do anything for money or what? Here, he has money. You will kill him and take the money and go. Hey, why are you simply talking with him and wasting time? You can't write. Then understand, buddy.
My sister had got a bad name because of the stupid money alone. So I started my life trying to do these illegal activities. My only aim in my life was to make my family happy. And for a happy family life, I just require money. Nothing but money alone.
Hey, take whatever you want, you take, but give the interest by evening, okay? Till yesterday you used to give us time, right? Hey, shut your mouth, man. Inflation has risen, we have to also live, right? Look what you're talking. When you're asking, we are giving you the exact money, right? All we are asking is only the interest, huh? Go and do the job, go.
I bought 2 coconuts, so give it for 10 rupees.
Hey, look, buddy, one fellow is very oversmart and lighting a cigarette, right? We'll ask him first. Hey, who is it, man? Who has entered the midday 12 o'clock bus and committed robbery from your group?
We may travel by a bus. Government bus is running for us. What is your problem? You people are asking as though you're a checking inspector.
We are asking once more, who entered the bus at 12 o'clock in the midday? Hey, how dare you come and ask in our area that who has entered our bus?
Hey, you guys have come to our area. We'll see to that we'll finish you off. Buddy, come out! Finish them off!
Hey! Will you have two smart? Will you have two smart? Hey, who's that? Leave me, man.
Don't do that son of a bitch! Finish him off!
Hey, Mega, just run away. They have come.
Don't hit him!
Hey, stop here! What are you going to do? Huh? I won't leave you. Just stand here. Wait, I'll see you. If you get severely only, you'll listen. Hey, I am going.
Is this a thief's house or what? Tell me, come on. Hey. Bloody fellow!
Hey, who are you? Get up! Come on! Hey, get up! Who are you? I won't kill you! Hey, don't leave your hand! Hey, I will see it! Come on, catch him! Kill him! Don't leave him! Come on,
Hey, wait, man!
Hey, you know the fellow. Just leave him. What nonsense are you doing here?
The money lender who lends me money itself will think twice to ask money back. And if you guys come like this and put up a fight, you thought I'll get scared or what? You have come and said, right? Now just forget the plans of going outside. Hey! We'll hit him by turns. Come on.
No.
Hey, give me the money here. Hey, come on, give it here. Kill him, man.
Hey, come on, let's go first. Come on,
Hey, if anybody comes closer, I'm going to kill him. Hey, if you're not going to give us the money, we are going to kill him.
Don't do anything to him. Here it is. Take your money. Please don't do anything to my husband. Here, this is your money. Come and take it. Please don't do anything to him.
Hey, leave him back. Leave my leg. Hey, come on.
Please don't do anything.
You know how to take the money and then spend and enjoy, and you don't know how to give it back, You're taking. I'll take away the child. You give me the money and then I'll give you the child. No, Hey, who are you, man? Snatching away the child and showing Gundaism? Hey, he has taken money from me for some marriage, and when I'm coming to ask money, he'll say, come tomorrow. Then what will I do? I'll not take the child. Ask the child and go. What? Hand over the child here. Come on. Get lost, man. You look so puny, and you're coming and playing with people like me. Hey, who do you call a puny man? Hey, what do you mean? What do you mean by taking? Hey, don't take his child. Hey, come on. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, give the child. Don't play with us. You are not. Hey, you don't know about me. Hey, you don't know about me. Who I am. Who is there behind me? I'll come and talk to you. Hey, get lost, man. I don't want to know. Get lost, man. You're a big gangster, Asif. You are. Get lost. We'll mash your head off, man. Sister, don't worry. Even if he comes, we'll take care of it. Brother, don't worry. Go and do your job and take care of it. There the fellow is sitting there. Hey, I didn't do this knowingly, man. It just happened.
These guys seems to be a small children playing in the cricket ground. Did they beat you? It's unbelievable.
Yes, brother.
Hey, you guys! Come here!
Oh, my God, he's a very dangerous fellow, man. That we'll talk and see who he is, now. Come. I cannot come with you guys, man. I will escape.
are you going, man?
It seems there's going to be a big problem, na?
Hey, there is a problem now, right?
Yeah.
Based on this, there will be another problem.
yeah.
We will see what that problem is.
Okay.
You keep quiet here. Always maintain a mentality for giving first aid.
Hey, bro, it's your brother or what, bro? We didn't know, bro. If we knew, we would have hit him or what?
Is that so?
What is that out, bro? You're such a very big person, bro. You control so many gangs, bro. We are small fellows here, actually, who do small things. That you should not take it seriously,
You
right?
bloody uncivilized barbarians trying to show off in front of me? Bloody buggers!
Don't try using your muscles, sir. Then we'll also retaliate later.
What are you doing?
Hey, what is your plan, man? You are hitting on everyone.
Bugger, you have guts to keep your hand on me? Bloody bugger! Hey! Stop it! Why are you hitting them? It's a small problem with the younger generation. Trying to act as a spiritual person and playing with these guys.
Hey, brother. If you are small or big, we show him right now.
Hey, now the problem is going to catch fire from here.
Hey, bro, you just want to know whether we are big or not, right? Our deeds will speak for that. Now, see. This will show whether we are big or small. When we were talking, you used your hands, right? Now take this from us. Now see we are big or small. And one more thing. Now if you're going to talk too much here, now you're going to get it really nice from us. Get out from here. Get out. Get out. They are under intoxication, brother. They themselves do not know what they're going to do next, brother. We'll leave now, brother. We'll take care of them later, brother. What, buddy? You're simply sitting and talking that your brother has been stabbed by these fellows? First you should stab them and then come and sit here, right?
Cool, buddy. These days, youngsters think that showing some style is bravery. I know what to do with them. I'm just waiting for an opportunity to take revenge on them. When those guys attacked my brother, I remained silent. I will destroy them. Not one, but the entire group.
That's the point. Come. Yeah, welcome.
Hi, sir.
Welcome. Please come. Yeah, please come. Welcome, everybody.
Buddy,
Yes, bro.
keep the vehicle ready. No delay.
Yes, boss.
We have to finish him off and then go to the shop nearby police
Right,
station.
sir. The groom's friend wants to talk to you separately.
Okay, come.
Yeah, bro.
Hi, son.
Good morning. I want to talk to you separately.
What's the matter?
It's a very important matter. Come.
Yeah, come. What is the important matter, son? Why are you closing the door, son?
Hey! If the sand is taken from the shore, or if they break the stones, what is your problem? Do you want to see how the way you're getting killed now, sir?
Hey, who are you, sir? What are you trying to do? Boss, your weapon has fallen down.
Can't you walk a little slowly in the road, my dear friend? Watch and go.
That's for you.
Me?
Look, boss, those guys are now getting scared of us, I guess. Try to get as much money as we can. Just turn with some gimmicks so that they get scared. Oh, my
Have you
God,
seen a
guys.
knife, baby? Have you seen blood? Have you seen stitching? Or ever have you seen a dead body in your life?
Have you at least seen that in an album?
Will you stop talking nonsense?
I've told you don't make my boss shout. My hair is paining, right?
Huh?
You have pushed the weapon down. That's okay. Keep the knife in the cover and then kiss my boss's hand and then keep moving. We'll forgive you. We always have the habit of forgiving, right? What, bro? He's talking too much and you are standing and staring?
Leave it, buddy. These two are just comedy people. Let's move from these buffoons.
What, boss? We are talking so seriously now and they are calling us comedy buffoons.
You're
huh?
right.
Boss, just give a harsh look.
Six cup of tea.
What, man? When girls come to study in the college, you want to spoil them, huh? Why, I will bloody you will never get up and...
What kind of tea is this? Can people drink this tea? You fool!
Hey, why are you pouring tea on my face, man? You bloody fellow!
Fool, trying to hit me? Can't put a normal tea and you're trying to hit me.
Was smart. Actually, I wanted to hit him. Now somebody is coming and hitting him. Good. Let them hit him now. We can sit and watch, right? Hey, stop it, man. Hey, come on. Hey, coming here and making problems. Hey, come on, you creating problems outside the police. Come on. Lock this fellow up.
Take your hand. We just smashed the shop. We are not killers.
You only smash the shop now. I'll show you what I'll smash now. Come inside. Come on. Show this now. He has done some crime outside. Then he came and smashed the shop, and technically he's coming inside
This is
now.
all very normal in our city, sir.
They are roaming around here only. Just kill all of them and drag all the dead bodies here.
Why are you getting tensed up, buddy? In this city, wherever you search them, you will not get. If they want to live themselves, they will live here. They don't have any aim in their life, so they're just wandering here and there. What will they do, when they will do, nobody knows about that.
So for that, we have to stand and wait here for them to come or what? They are not going to leave this place and go. We have to kill them. Give an idea for that.
Buddy, I know a person in the city who can finish off anybody for money. We will tell our case to him. The moment he collects cash, he will finish the group itself.
Then ask him to come today itself.
I'll tell him to come tomorrow.
Why? Will he not come
He
now
will
or
not
what?
come.
Why?
Weekend, he should not be disturbed by anyone. And he will also not disturb anyone too. Good morning, sir. Hi, buddy. How are you? I'm doing good, sir. When people like you are there to support me, I'm always good, sir. He's a sincere boy. Hi. I've told him everything. Just pay him the cash, and the rest he will take care.
Hey, look here. Our father and our sister was very dear to our heart. They died only because of those loafer fellows. You should kill them. Hey, dude. We can actually kill them. But they should not escape at any cost. That's why you also should help us. Now you look like a groom, man. Yeah, take it, man. Hey, why are you crying, man? From now on, we are not orphans, man. We also have a family now. Hey, brother, from now on, no more hotel food. All 3 times sisters' food only. In our bro's house only.
Bro,
Can you recognize those 4 guys?
Now only you look awesome, man. Hey, Ganesh, we have to bless the sacred thread and give you. If you give me, I'll give it to you back. Okay, I'll get the thread and come. I'm coming. I'll come now. Okay. Hey, dude, I'll buy the thread and come. Yeah, go and come fast. Hey, buddies, just be here. I'm sending for the death angels for you. Hey, come, man.
You are taking this tag. Which caste you are?
Hello, ma'am. I don't know all that. We belong to no caste, but we can tie this thread right. Hey, we should not leave them right. Hey, it's not for me, it's for my brother. Hey, leave it, man. It's enough, yaar. Hey, come fast, man. Hey, come fast, come. Hey, buddies. Hey, buddies, just run away somewhere. They're coming to kill us, man. Come, go fast. Go inside, come. Hey, just keep running. Hey, don't look anywhere. Don't look. Just keep running. Don't look anywhere. Don't look anywhere. Run for your life. Yes. Go. They are all surrounding us. Come. Yes. I am not looking anywhere. Just don't look behind. Don't fall anywhere. They are all over this place. They are all over the place. They are all over this place. Just keep running. Don't look back. Yeah, go. Hey, come this side. Hey, come this side. Run. Hey, where are you? I'm not going to leave you. Oh, right there. Hey, where are you guys? Hey, just save me. You will not be spared. Hey, just wait there, man. Hey, wait. Hey, you go that side. I'm coming this. Hey, wait there, man. Wherever you go, I will not leave you. Hey, wait there. Wait there, man. Hey, don't leave them. You have to kill him. Kill him and blast him off. You should not let him go free. Hey, now kill him, man. Hey, what are you waiting? Chop him into pieces, man. What are you waiting for now?
Just leave me free. I have not done anything to your father and sister. Just leave me alone.
Like how my father and sister died, I will also not let you go scot free.
I didn't do anything to them.
Hey! I will not let you go like that. Hey! I will not let you go free now. Hey, he's here, man. Come fast.
You!
Hey, buddy, where has he gone? Did you see him?
Bloody! If you're covered, then why are you trying to kill people?
Hey, just cutting his hand is not enough. You have to kill him. Hey, search for him, man. Search, you go there. You come here. Hey, whatever you have done, you have done. Now you're going to escape or what? Huh? Come, wait there. Hey, catch him, man. Hey, anyways, you'll be cut into pieces now. Wait, hey.
Brother, today is my marriage, brother. There is one female carrying my child in a womb and waiting there in the temple. From the time I was born, I didn't see my parents' face. At least I want to see my child's face. After the marriage, I'll go somewhere and live. Please leave me. Bro, I'll go somewhere away from you people. Brother, let me go free.
Did you take money to stand and stare or kill this bloody fellow? What are you looking at?
Brother, brother, please.
You gave me the cash, right? I will do it. Believe me.
Hey, they are all very rich people. That is why they are chasing us one by one down. We definitely didn't expect this to happen in our lives ever. They've killed one of our favorite guys.
Therefore, we have to take a revenge for this.
Right, man. If they are left alive, they will kill us.
If we have to live, we have to kill them totally.
Hey, those fellows are coming, man. Hey, hide somewhere. Hey, how are they related with them here? Like they killed our bro, they are wanting to kill us also, huh?
First of all, these fellows should be killed.
No, man. These fellows are only hide killers. We should only kill those who hide these fellows.
Huh? Hey, dude. How are you here? You killed that old man. That is why I told them about you. I thought they'd chop off your head. They have only chopped your hand off.
Are you the fellow who damaged our lives, huh? Tell me!
Look here. Since you just caught my shirt, I'll be killing you here itself. But if I kill you, it is case. If I show you to them, it is cash. Hey, come fast, man! Come fast! Hey! Why are you fighting with him, man? He only propagated that we have killed the old man. Hey, more than the killer, we should be killing the fellow who showed us to the killer. Hey, go get a stone, man! Hey, by the time you die and float over the water, those fellows will be killed. Come, man. Hey, you are simply saying that you will find those remaining fellows. Hey, brother. Yes, brother. Instead of taking people, why are you going alone? For everything, can I take everyone? I'm carrying a gun, brother. I know how to shoot well. Why are you simply getting worried? Okay, go carefully. Yeah, okay. Hey, take the vehicle, man. Hey, when you see some ATM, stop the car there. Hey, he's coming. Stop the car in front of the ATM. Okay, sir. He got down, huh? Brother, run away, brother! Brother, run away! They're going to kill you! Please run away! Please run away! Hey, catch him, man! Hey, catch him! Hey, don't leave him! Hey, chopped off my hand! Don't leave him! Don't leave him! This is the fellow who chopped off my hand! Hey, wait! Hey! Don't leave him! Hey, catch him, man! Catch him! Come on, run! No! Hey, stop there! You! Hey, catch him, man! You bloody fellow! I will not leave you alive today! Hey, no! Just listen to me! No, don't do anything! No! Don't leave him, just chop his head off. Hey, what mistake did we do to you? I don't know who your sister is. We only came to rob your house, but instead you robbed all our lives, right? Stupid fellow! Hello? Bloody. Hello, who's this?
Yeah, it's me.
What do you mean by me?
We have met before, right?
Okay, so... Are you fair or dark?
Obviously, you should be remembering my color.
Oh, so you're fair, huh?
I want to meet you.
What do you want?
I want to see you in person.
Oh, surely you can see me. Where are you now?
I'm here, very close by.
Close by? I can't see you anywhere here.
I'm standing by the service lane here only.
Oh, you're so close by your work.
Yes.
Just wait there. I'll just talk and come. Huh?
I'll also keep talking, okay? I'm wearing a red saree and also I'm having bunch of flowers in my hair.
Is it?
Come soon, okay?
I think more than me, you are in a big hurry. Hey, I saw you, dear. Even from far, you look very beautiful, huh? So from close, you might be very mind-blowing.
Then come fast. I'm here to blow your mind only.
So, you're that female sister, huh? You look very beautiful, huh?
I'm not just beautiful, I'm good in everything.
You're so beautiful. How come I didn't see you for so long, huh?
That's why you have come to see me, right?
Is it? Hey, run! Hey, you don't run away! Don't come here! Hey, run! Hey, he's the bloody culprit, man! Don't leave him alive! Don't leave him! Catch him fast! me a good chance. Kill him. No, don't. If you touch me, I'll kill you all. I'm telling you, I'll kill you all. Hey, come on, man. Come on, you bloody fella. Hey, I will not leave any one of you alive. You come, man. You don't know who the hell I am. Better don't touch me. You get out, go. What the hell do you mean, man? Don't do anything to me! He needs to be buried alive! You don't know who I am! Hey, you come fast! You cannot hold him! Hey, what is your problem with us, man? Just because you people were rich, we came to rob from your house. Neither I know you, nor do I know your sister. Shit! Without any problem, we were living a nice life. We were all very happy together. Just because of you, you only spoiled it, man. You bloody fellow. Drop him in, man, and we'll bury him alive. Drop him. Come on. Forgive me. I did a mistake. There is a death in your family. There is a death for me also. Just leave me alive. For heaven's sake, you leave me alive. Just leave me alive, man. I'll go somewhere and live properly. Whatever you ask, I'll give you. Will you get my friend back or what? You can't write. Don't talk to him. Bury him. No, don't do it. Bury it. Hey, come on, man. Hey, come on, he's here. Brother, from the time I was born, I have not done anything for my mother. And she has died. I just got to hear now. Just for her, let me cry for 5 minutes. What sin did I commit? You have gone without even seeing my face.
You have cried for the mother who has died now, but I don't have an option because my mother is alive. Hello.
Who are you?
Yeah, tell me.
I am his mother speaking.
I received a call from your son telling to kill someone. I tried to call him, but he's not reachable. Once he comes, just tell him that I've killed him.